Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Kayla's Curls video. So in today's video, we are going to have something really different. If you have been following me on my channel since the beginning, then you know me. You know that Kayla's Curls, does not wear contact lenses, but I am now going to have the opportunity. I was reached out to by an amazing company called JUST4KIRA, and they want me to try out 4 pairs of their contact lenses. I do have a 20% off code if you guys would like to purchase yourself some colorful contact lenses. So for starters, I was told that I do need to soak the lenses in contact lens solution. So I did hit up my local drugstore and I did find some BioTrue contact lens solution. So it comes in this pretty little box packaging, and I already opened it up to make sure everything was in there, which everything is in here. So here we are. It comes in cute, what kind of material is this? Like chromy type of vibe, metallic-y kind of vibes going on with the cases. Let's go ahead and start taking these out. So here are the contact lenses, and they come with their own pair of little tweezers and the little suction cup to grab the lenses. The packing, and I love that they all come with their own. That way we're being safe and we're being clean as well. And I got 4 for each pair of these contact lenses. So I'm seeing 8 boxes here, so I'm guessing that in every box is one eyeball. So for starters, here is the Crystal Brown. We got the Moira Brown, and we got the Aurora Blue, and then we got the Norko Blue. And that's everything in the box, and a bubble wrap to keep them safe. And that is their website and their brand name. So I'm very excited to try these out. I must soak these for 8 to 12 hours, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'll show you guys with one pair, putting them in the contact solution. So let's go with the first set, the Aurora Blue. Go ahead and pop this open. So it has one lens in here. It has a little pamphlet, and the lens is in here. So there is that Aurora Blue color. It's like very cute. I'm so excited to try these out, guys. I've done my research. I've searched online. I've done everything to make sure I'm knowledgeable on contact lenses, because I've never worn contact lenses in my life, and I have always been asked by so many people if I wear lenses. Here's this little baby tweezer to pull it out. There's one. Ooh, this is nerve-wracking. Alright, I have it in the box. You can see that pretty blue colored contacts. So now we're going to go ahead and get the other one in. And we're going to jump right into putting the contact lens solution. And then, oh, look at that. I got another pair of the casing. That's great. Who knows? I might really love wearing contact lenses, and I might get into them. Who knows? We'll see. More videos for you guys, right? Alright, so here is the lens solution. Go ahead and pour them in. Okay, not too much. Alright, so now I got the contact lenses in here. I'm going to go ahead and close this. And I'm going to let them soak overnight and then try them on tomorrow when I come back with you guys, and you guys will see me attempting to apply them for the first time. And I'm really happy with this company because they did send like some tips, even pictures to go along with their tips. That way, if you are new at putting on contact lenses, you will have an idea of how to put them. Alright, you guys, so what I did was I went ahead and I put them all in the cases with the contactless solution. So there's this first pair. And what I also did was I took the names off the top. They had like the sticky parts with the name on it. So I just put it on the back of the cases so that I remember the colors and which ones they are, so I don't get any of them mixed up. First one, which is Norko Blue. Such a pretty blue color, as you can see. And then the next one was Crystal Brown. This is also a very pretty brown, light brown color. I can't wait to see how these all look on me. And then here is a Moira Brown. Yeah, these are cute cat eye kind of brownish colors. And then the first ones that I showed you, which is the Aurora Blue. Like I said, I'm going to be back and we're going to go ahead and put these contact lenses in so that we could try them on. It has been approximately over 8 hours since I have put my contact lenses in the solution. So now I'm ready to try them out. Let's first start off with this crystal brown color. Go ahead and pop these in. Oh shit. So I got the first one in. It took like a good 10 minutes to actually get it in because I was scared of how it would feel. But we finally got that one in. And oh my god, it looks so good. You can definitely see the difference. Let's go ahead and put the second one in. Alright. They are both in. And the dot does show a little bit through here, through the contact. Crystal brown. Definitely a big difference in the eye color change. Definitely looks different on me, and it looks more green, if you will. And they're not uncomfortable, but if it's your first time, it's gonna definitely feel weird wearing them, but they're actually pretty nice. I could see out of them clearly. They feel comfortable on the eyes, and like I said, it gives more of a greener vibe to my eyes than opposed to a brown. But then again, it is crystal brown, so yeah, these are cute. Tell me what you guys think about the first pair. I'm gonna go with the Norko Blue next, so let's go ahead and put those on. Alright, so I finally got in the second pair of contacts, and as you can see, huge different than my natural eye color. This is the Norko Blue. Definitely love this one. I like it a lot. And something I'm finding now that this is the second time putting them on is I'm finding that it's easier to put the left eye in rather than the right eye in, because when I'm looking either into a mirror or here into this camera, I'm looking this way, and as opposed to over here, I'm looking like this. So it's easy to like place the contact in and then blink, of course, to get it in, but like this side is definitely harder to do, which is why I've been doing this for like 40 minutes now, and that's the only reason why. And I did try using the little tool they provided, but it was really useless to me, is because I felt like I couldn't feel my eye with this, and I don't want to just jab it in. So it definitely easier using the fingers, of course, with clean hands. We're gonna go on to the Moira Brown. Alright guys, so here's the third pair. As you can see, my eye is a little bit red. Please don't mind it. I was struggling putting this one in. Like I said, this one is the hardest side to put in, but it's finally in. And yeah, this was the Moira Brown color. Something I wanted to know is if it's like the same color as this tape. Slightly. Alright, so let me go ahead and pop in the last pair, and this is the color Aurora, and this is the blue color. And this one, I might keep these in for the day depending on how they look. So let's go ahead, pop these babies in, and then we will wrap up the video. Alright guys, so I did have to switch cameras because the one that I was using did die, but this is the Aurora Blue. I really love these. These are very bright and blue. These are like a natural kind of blue color. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end of this video. I am finally done trying out all 4 pairs of the contacts that were sent to me by JUST4KIRA. And like I said, if you do want to have a 20% off coupon code, use kaylascurls on JUST4KIRA.com. And there you can see some of the lenses that I got, and they have a lot of other varieties as well. And they even have prescription lenses, so if you literally need lenses to see, then that is a perfect website for you. I will give a little bit of an honest review. I love all the colored lenses. I think my favorite will have to be the Norko Blue, and I'm really excited to see the looks and makeup looks that I come up with, especially for TikTok. But other than that, these contacts are really comfortable. I could see perfectly out of them. They're nice, they're pretty colored, and very easy to insert. Of course, the first few times, if it is your first time, it will be challenging, but it was definitely a fun and different experience. And I definitely will check out their website for other contact lenses that they have, because I do want to get into wearing them more, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. Thank you so much to this brand for reaching out to me and giving me the chance to try contacts, to try them out. See you guys in the next one. I hope you guys did enjoy watching. Bye.